campers. We are at the Dixie Road Ranger. Well, it's just a Road Ranger, but it's got a Dixie family restaurant built into it. That is super nice.
0.1 mile really ahead, turn right on Southeast Street, then turn left.
Oops, my high beams are on. Bumpity bumpity bump bump. So you might be wondering why this truck stop looks so weird. If you look at this entrance here, this road, this is Route 66. Right through the middle of the parking lot, off to the left. Or at least one of the alignments of Route 66. The current historical Route 66 route actually turns left here and goes over to meet a
400 feet ahead, turn left on East South Street, then turn left.
But that is Route 66 directly in front of us. And off to our left. So, please, no heavy trucks.
0.4 miles ahead, turn left, then straight.
But yeah, this place had tons of awesome Route 66 memorabilia, and they had a documentary playing in the lobby, which I just stood there and watched while they made my food for me.
0.3 miles ahead, turn left, then straight.
I'm the kind of nerd where I'd rather eat in my truck, so I order carryout at diners and stuff, and then just bring the food back to my back to Maxwell and eat in the vehicle. We're doing 30 under the speed limit right now.
Good.
Oh. My tablet thought I was trying to talk to it. Like, I'm doing 30 miles per hour under the speed limit right now. Good! We now know Google's opinion on whether or not you should drive slow.
Merge left on I-55 North.
The modern day replacement for Route 66, Interstate 55. It's 160 miles to where we're parking for the night. Still got to drive through Lansing and Flint, Michigan.
.1 mile ahead, merge left on I-94 East.
Then we got to get on Interstate 70. We're on our way to Interstate 69. 69 will take us to Interstate 75. Interstate 75 will take us to Pinconning. Pinconning? I don't know.
11.4 miles ahead, take exit 108 to ramp to I-69 North.
My assumption is Pinconning. Just because that's the more fun way to say it. Welcome to Pinconning. We are delivering cucumbers to a pickle factory. It is very foggy out here today. I don't know what's going on there. It's kind of cool though. I assume it's got something to do with the snow, causing some unusual temperature situations to occur. What do you call fog generated by snow? Is that snow fog? Snog? Oh, I decided it's snog. It shall be known henceforth as snog. I just ran out of podcasts. It is Sunday, so that's not terribly surprising. Hello, car. You should slow down. You should slow down and get behind me. Good! Made the right choice. Good job, little car. It's been a nice, quiet day. I had a moment earlier where I was like, why am I wearing jeans while I drive? I own leggings. I am not comfortable while I drive in these pants. I should be wearing leggings. So, did that. We're staying here for the night. We're at the Mr. Chip's Pickle Factory. Y'all saw me pull in there at the end of the time-lapse video. Not entirely sure where they want us to park, so I'm just snuggled in next to a pair of their dry van trailers that they just got out here. on this side of the fence. There's one of them. My directions say it's okay to park here overnight. They just don't specify where in this little dirt lot I should sit. And there's no real signs. There's some no parking signs along the road. At least along the planter between the parking lot and the road. So I think as long as we're south of those, or I guess north of those. North, south. So as long as we're north of the no parking signs, I think we're alright. Should be pretty well out of the way, unless someone needs to move either of these trailers. Then if someone needs to move this trailer to my left, they should be able to get it out okay. But if they try and bring any more trailers out here, I might be in their way. Which, you know, assuming by the time they start doing that stuff... Now, where'd that go? Assuming by the time they start doing that stuff, they'll be able to let me in anyway. So, worst case scenario, someone wakes me up and lets me in early. I'm okay with that. But we got 8.5 hours till our appointment time. So, I guess I'm gonna get some sleep and see you guys in the morning, and we'll check out what this place is in the morning. It's some kind of pickle factory called Mr. Chips, which in my head means it should be some kind of potato facility, but it's not. It is not. It is a chip. It is a chickle. It's a chickle facility. Pickle facility. Well, we'll find out in the morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is ElioDare, AzerAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in, say hi on Twitter. Twitter's the best place to get a hold of me, at ElioDare, no apostrophe in the username. Of course, you can also leave comments below the video, or off to that side if you're watching in a letterboxed view on one of the apps. That way. It's below all the recommended videos on the side. I know, it doesn't make sense at all. You'd expect them to be below the video, but they're all on that side. So yeah, come say hi in the comments. I do read them all, and I've gotten a few today, because I started driving before the video went live today, so I didn't get to see any of the comments till I'm parking now. So, what do we got? What do we got? Hello, tablet. Wake up. Get off the audiobook. I was listening to a Star Wars novel. I ran out of podcast today. That's how it goes. Today was the Loneliest Road was the episode that went up. So, Torcy, apparently also a fan of the Toyota FJ. Ralph Rose agrees with me about bars being a bad idea for truck drivers. Battleborn, apparently from Fallon. That's cool. I love when I find out that I drive like right past some people's houses. It happens a lot more often than I expect it would. And because I know other drivers that drive for Palm are always like, oh yeah, I drove through Petersburg today. Ah! And don't worry about me. I'm surviving the weird YouTube purge of small channels that's happening. Not by much, but we're all right. So I do appreciate all y'all that watch. One thing I've discovered from this whole set of shenanigans around YouTube, they're doing a cutoff. You have to have at least 4,000 hours watched over the course of the last 12 months, and you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers. We're over 1,200 subscribers, just a little bit, which is a lot closer than I would like to be to that threshold. But, you know, that's way higher than I was at the beginning of the year, so thank you for all the folks that wandered over. If you look at my subscribers chart, it's flat. I mean, it's a flat, steady increase in subscribers. Then there's a spike on the day that Jay Canal, I don't know how to pronounce his name. I'm sorry. My brain, I'm from Virginia, so my brain wants to say Canal. Canal? Jay Canal. Yeah, I'll just put a twang on it. That seems to sound right. The day that he reposted one of my videos, there's a huge spike, so it's great, and then just flat from there. So we are over the 1,000 subscriber threshold, and we're way over the 4,000 hours watch threshold, because apparently y'all actually watch my videos, which is an oddity among YouTube. Apparently a lot of folks have a lot of subscribers that just don't watch. So thank you guys so much for watching. It is appreciated. My stats are apparently very good for a small channel. And yeah, I hope you guys stick around. Have a great day.